Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Gretchen and this is Beautiful Mess. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys a few habits for keeping a clean kitchen. Now, a lot of these I do every day, some of them not as often, and I do notice that when we do implement all of these habits on a daily basis, it helps to keep the kitchen clean and it makes cleaning it a breeze. So what's better than that? I am all about keeping things clean, but simplifying it and making it easy. So work smarter, not harder. So before we jump right into my first tip, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps me know what kind of content I should be making you guys. So if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube community. So my first tip is to declutter your countertops. I used to have a really messy countertop. My husband likes to put all of his sunglasses, his chargers. When he walks in with all his stuff, his wallet. And I don't really have a landing area or a landing zone in our house. So this is kind of his landing zone since it's really just for him. So what I did was I took a tray that I got at the Target Dollar Spot and I use it to organize all of the things that he comes in with daily. So this helps keep our countertops decluttered and looking neat. Now, he doesn't always put it there himself. Sometimes I have to be the one to do it for him. But I know where it goes and it just makes doing it a breeze. If you have small appliances that are just collecting dust on your counter space, I suggest that you find a new home for them, put them away, and then take them out only when you need them. This is going to really help so that you can keep your counter space clear and it just makes cleaning up much easier. So my second tip is to start every day with an empty dishwasher. So if you run your dishwasher the night before after your dinner dishes and you wash your dishes from the whole day, then go ahead in the morning when you have some time. I usually do this while I'm making the kids breakfast or while I'm preparing my coffee or while I'm waiting for my breakfast to finish. So I usually boil eggs, and in that time while I'm boiling the eggs, instead of sitting doing nothing, I am putting my dishes away. So unload your dishwasher in the morning so that way if you have dirty dishes throughout the day, you are just putting them into the dishwasher that's empty already. Now if you have dishes that are still there from the night before, then you're going to find that you're leaving dishes in the sink, and that just creates for more mess and more clutter and makes it longer. It takes longer to clean the kitchen when you get to it. Now for myself, I use my dishwasher as a drying rack. So although I don't run the dishwasher the night before, I do wash dishes and I set them to dry in the dishwasher, and I still put the dishes away in the morning. That way the dishwasher is empty all day. So if anybody is washing dishes and they're setting them in the dishwasher to dry, it is empty and they can be put in there. If not, otherwise they'll probably get put in the sink or on the countertop while they dry, and that just creates more clutter and it just looks visually messy. So my third tip is to clean as you cook. Now, I don't do the cooking in my household. My husband does the cooking, and sometimes he's really, really good about cleaning while he cooks. Other times, not so much, and it makes cleaning the kitchen at the end of the night a lot more daunting for me. But for the most part, he is really good about putting things back where he gets them from. Sometimes he'll wash a few things while he is cooking, while something is cooking and he has a little bit of time. Instead of sitting down, he'll wash the dishes that are in the sink, put them in the dishwasher to dry, and that way it creates less mess. Also, using a bowl or a plastic bag while you are cutting or slicing things, chopping or peeling, and that way this is going right into the bag rather than on the countertop or in the sink. My fourth tip is to have a morning routine. Like I told you guys before, every morning I empty out the dishwasher. That is part of my morning routine. Every morning I wash the dishes that we used from breakfast and wipe down the countertops, I pick up any trash, just clean up, do a quick clean of the kitchen. Now this doesn't take me very long. It could take me up to 10 minutes, especially if it's from breakfast or lunch. It doesn't take very long. My last tip is to have an evening routine or do a quick cleanup of the kitchen every night. Don't leave your kitchen messy before you go to bed. Who wants to wake up in the morning and have to clean a kitchen? Especially the kitchen, it's one of the messiest things in the house. And I'm gonna be honest, sometimes it happens. Sometimes we leave dirty dishes in the sink because we either didn't have time to get to it, or we were busy from the night before, or it just got away from us. But for the most part, I try not to leave the kitchen messy at all. If I have the kitchen clean at the end of the night, and that's the only thing that I have clean at the end of the night, then I am good. That is my most important thing to have clean every single night, because when I get up in the morning and it's time to prep breakfast for the kids, I'm not coming into a dirty kitchen. I'm not coming into having to do chores in the morning. Instead, I can make breakfast, enjoy breakfast with the kids, just have it be a more enjoyable and pleasant morning rather than stressful or feeling aggravated because I have to clean a huge mess from the night before. These are not huge secrets, but they're gonna help you significantly when it comes to keeping your kitchen clean every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, or if you want more content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I hope I see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye.